Hi, this is nutritionist Sushma Jaiswal. I'm into this field for more than 30 years and now I'm practicing at Bangalore in Swasthi Nutrition. General tendency of the people is that sweet things are to be taken at the end of the meal, but it would be good if you start any meal with fruits. Fruits are rich in fiber and antioxidants, and they have many micronutrients, and they have many health benefits if they are eaten before meals. You can start having fruits as the first course of your breakfast or your lunch or dinner because of many benefits. Nutritionally, they have more fiber. Most of the main dishes are lacking in fiber. So eating fruits is a good way to provide fiber to your diet. These fibers could be of two types or two forms, soluble and insoluble fiber, and both are important for better absorption of all the other nutrients from the diet. And also they are not having any calories, so they don't add calories to your diet. And many colors in the fruits, like they are rich in antioxidants. So a fruit salad or fruit bowl of 4-5 fruits together may give you a healthy antioxidants also in your diet, so that your body is prepared to fight against diseases better. Fruits are an integral part of our diet, so we have to consume fruits every day. And considering many benefits, they are rich in so many vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and so many other things, so you have to consume every day. And consuming as the first meal of the day would be very, very helpful. So stay healthy and consume more fruits.